Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and welcome to today's video. It's the first video of 2012, and I'd like to wish all our clients, our YouTube subscribers and mailing list participants everything of the very best for 2021. In today's video, I'm going to be giving away a free momentum trading course, and I'm going to give you some background to that course during the course of this video. Now, 20 years ago when I started out in Forex, and I was young and much younger than today, we studied everything we could get our hands on, and the internet wasn't as developed as it is today. And I used to purchase Martin Prings books on technical analysis. He was absolutely the guru at that time, and he most probably still is. And here you can see some of the books that I read about market momentum and trading momentum that he provided. Fantastic information about divergences and the various type of momentum indicators that you get. So these were our early Bibles that we studied as students of Forex trading and trading in general. So now we're talking about momentum trading, and the indicators that you can find for momentum, you just click on indicators in the main menu on an MT4 platform. You go to oscillators. Oscillators is the other name for momentum indicators, and oscillation means things oscillate and almost run into a circle. They go up, down, all that. So there's a continuous oscillation or change that's happening. And there we can see the indicators. My favorite ones are the MACD, the momentum indicator, the relative strength index, which is by far my most favorite, and then the stochastic oscillator. Now, oscillators like sideways movements in the market. They are best in those areas, and I'll show you a little bit about that. And here you can see a nice sideways market where the market's going up and down, up and down, up and down. And here you have more of a trending market where the movement of the market is more upwards. And it's the same currency. It just shows you how a currency can change its nature quite often. And here you can see the signals that this oscillator gives, and the signal is basically when the one line crosses the other one, and there you can see it caught a very nice trend there, and then it caught the next trend up, and so on, and there's a nice trend that it caught, and up it went again, and here's a fantastic trend that it caught, and up it went. So it really works well in a sideways market. The minute it starts trending, some of these signals become whipsaw signals, and one must be always aware of not taking against the trend trades when the market is trending. So for instance, if you can see here, there was a sell signal there, and it went nowhere, and then turned into a buy signal, and then into a sell signal. So you get a lot of whipsaws if you're trading this kind of indicator in a trending market. It likes sideways markets. If you are going to trend it in a trending market, there's two ways to do that. Only take trades in the direction of the trend, and the other very advanced way of doing is to treat the indicator as a trending indicator and reversing the direction of trades. Now, as you can see, we have a number of indicators and EAs that revolve around momentum trading. We've got the tradable RSI EA, we have the RSI envelope trader, and we have the tradable MACD EA, and then under tools we have divergent finders and traders. So divergence, in fact, is one of the strongest signal you could ever get in technical analysis. And we also have RSI trend line finders when there are trend line violations on the RSI indicator. Also one of the very strongest signals that you can find, especially when combined with divergences. And here's the tradable RSI indicator, which we've turned into a robot, and there's been a major upgrade in November where we've added a multiplier effect to this indicator. And if you want more information, there's the link. A clickable link will be supplied in the description of the video as well as in the first commentary of the video. Now here is the downloadable PDF that you can download from our forum. You can see it covers a whole lot of information, how you set your charts up and the exit and entry criteria and so on and so on. You can go and download this PDF and read through it in an instructional. Now, momentum trading is actually extremely powerful, and advanced traders can trade momentum in a sideways market fashion, and as I've mentioned earlier, in a trending market fashion. And that is what you can learn by downloading this PDF. You can learn how it works, which signals are the strongest, learn about divergences and all that type of thing. So go ahead, go and download this PDF from our forum. There are lots of other free resources on our forum. If you're not a member already, just simply join. It's free and you can download all of those resources. So from me, Alex Dupree, wishing you all again a fantastic 2021 and everything of the best. Cheerio.